I'm here today with Miss Wright's second grade class.
Hi!
And today we're going to be making some puffer fish. So last week we made our awesome ocean backgrounds using lots of different mixed media materials for printing, lots of household items. So now today we're going to be creating our puffer fish. So here's how this is going to work. My students are going to choose their 3 favorite pieces of paper for their puffer fish. You're going to have 3 puffer fish altogether. How many?
3.
That's right. You're going to be tracing a tape to get a perfect circle for your puffer fish. So I have 1, I'm going to put to the side. I have 2. Now, can you have all 3 pieces of paper be the same color? Sure. It's your choice. Here's my 3rd one. Now, I know some students would say to me, well, why can't we just press the papers together and just cut one time because it'll save time? But my 2nd graders need practice with cutting, which is why we're going to do it the long way. So here we are. I'm going to cut exactly on my line. And I'm going to throw away my trash as soon as I make it. Doing the best I can. I'm not expecting perfection from my students. So here's 1. I throw away my trash. You could just throw away your trash at the end. 2. Okay, and let's get our 3rd one. 3. Cutting right on your line. And we do not need scissors after this, so we can put away our scissors after this step as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue down my puffer fish, but you don't want them probably in a straight line. Instead, you want them all over your picture. Let's glue down the sloppier side. So this side has like a little bit of pencil. I'm going to make that the side I glue down. 1, 2, and again, you don't want them like all in a line or a row because that might be kind of boring. 3. So I have my 3 glued down, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a piece of bubble wrap. I thought I had grabbed one. Let me go grab one quick. So we did bubble wrap last week. Watch your fingers. So with our bubble wrap, there is a bubbly side that has a bubble texture, and there's a smooth side. We want to put the paint on the bubbly side. So it's like this. Last week I saw some students dipping their bubble wrap into the paint, but that is not the best way to get nice bubbles. So I go, watch this. I press. I know, isn't that so nice? You can usually get about 3. I'm going to do it again. 1, 2. So it's just a really quick pat. If you move it while you're doing the stamping step, you're going to get a smear. So this is a type of printmaking. Can we all say that word together? Printmaking. So a lot of times when I talk to my students about printmaking, they think of different things that we've done. Like a couple years ago for printmaking, I had my students etch into a foam plate. That's also printmaking. So many things are printmaking. This is just one way. So if you didn't get enough bubbles last week in your background, you can make a few more. So this is a chance for you to add some more bubbles to your background. Once you have that, here's what's going to happen next. I'm going to have you put little dots around your circles. So it's going to be really an aquarium. And we might get to do some more fun stuff with these today, but we'll see how far we get. So do you see how I'm just pressing to get this?
Yes.
All right, almost done. I have my last one to do. Do you see what to do? I'm going to know who was watching the best by how your projects come out. So be the best watcher, and then on the count of 3, we're going to say goodbye. 1, 2, 3.
Goodbye.